I am afraid to put this video up because I feel like I'm gonna get some hate because I'm clearly not a minimalist and this background is not minimalistic. It's not perfectly white and perfectly clean. I obviously have a ton of clothes here, but it's a start. This is my journey. Hey guys, today I am going to be decluttering my dresser. I have been flirting with the minimalist lifestyle, especially when it comes to clothes, and I've been flirting with the KonMari way of organizing for a while now. I want to try to organize these drawers more in the KonMari way. I thought it would be fun to film this adventure, my first minimalist adventure, and we can see how this experiment goes. So let's get started. And I'm gonna show you just what it looks like right now. This is actually kind of embarrassing because of how disorganized it is, but look at that. Isn't that terrible? So this is mostly just like t-shirts, tops. Underneath here, I have everything. Mostly bottoms. There's a lot of like sweatpants in here. Socks, underwear, tights, sports bras, things like that. This bottom drawer here, this is a mess as well. This is mostly workout stuff. I'm gonna start working one drawer at a time and see where this gets me. Okay, so I have taken everything out of the drawer that was like the shirts, tank tops, t-shirts drawer, and I've just kind of like put them into different piles of like nicer shirts, you know, more t-shirts, more sentimental shirts, tank tops, things like that. Okay, so I want to demonstrate the folding technique for KonMari. Let me show you how to do a t-shirt. So you want to put the print face side down. So now you want to imagine a straight line going right down the center of the shirt. So from the top all the way down to the bottom of the shirt. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna tuck the sides of the shirt so that the edges meet this visual line in the center. Fold the sleeves in, but then you're gonna fold them back. Same thing other side. So we're just going to fold this up in thirds. Okay, so I have folded everything from that first drawer. This is everything folded in the KonMari method. So I'm gonna move these out of the way on top of the bed, and then I'm gonna grab another drawer and do the same thing. When I was going through the first drawer, there's a lot of stuff that I was just noticing is really like old or worn out, and that's a really interesting feeling. To touch the majority of your clothes and feel like you don't even like them. Certainly I have a lot of my nicer pieces hanging in the closet, but it's interesting how what we choose to surround ourselves with and what we choose to pacify ourselves with, and it's hard to let go of it because it's kind of, in a way, it's like letting go of a part of yourself. I don't want to be a slave to consumerism. I'm pretty scared to put this video up. Because I feel like the minimalist community is pretty like by the book, by the rule. I feel like there's a lot of people who feel like there's like one way to do minimalism. Some people are so good at it, you know, some people are so minimalist, and I feel like that is the standard that we embrace. And we feel like that's the standard that we must impose. I am afraid to put this video up because I feel like I'm gonna get some hate because I'm clearly not a minimalist, but it's a start. This is my journey. And I think that we need to start looking at minimalism less of you have to do step 1, step 2, step 3. If you don't do it this exact way, you are not a minimalist. I think we need to start promoting the mindset and promoting the themes behind minimalism rather than it being so, it has to be white, it has to be clean, you can't have things. I want it to be more of a freeing mindset for people because that's the beauty that I see in it. let's do some pants. So first things first, we want to fold the front inside so that the back is showing. Okay, and then we want to take the bottom of the pants and meet to the top of the waistband. So just folding it in half one more time. This little edge here, I actually like to just kind of fold or tuck it in just a little bit underneath the legs of the pant. Perfect. And then you just fold it again in thirds, just like the t-shirt. Okay, and then you've got some folded pants. Okay, so this is the final drawer. This is all socks, underwear, sports bras, bralettes, tights. This is the drawer that I was actually the most concerned about because there's so much stuff in here. Let's get all this stuff out of here. Alright, so I have emptied out the underwear and sock drawer. Gone through my tights, so you just roll everything up. As far as tights, that's the folding method. Underwear, I did fold all my underwear as well, and they are just kind of all lined up into little squares, so this looks a lot better. Okay, so here's how you fold the socks. You're gonna place them on top of each other, smooth them out, and then you're going to fold them into thirds, just like we did with the rest of the clothes. I'm just finding that a lot of these things, I feel, not that they don't serve me, because they do obviously serve a purpose, but I am finding that, especially because, you know, I have been on a little bit more of a journey to try to figure out what's gonna make me happiest, what's gonna give me my best life. So I'm obviously doing a lot of internal work. And as I go through these clothes, I'm just finding that a lot of it doesn't seem to fit me anymore in terms of where I'm at in my life right now. Going into this, that was sort of my mindset, was just to kind of get a handle on the situation. But now I'm feeling more like there's just so much more emotion attached to it than I was imagining that there would be. Okay, and here is the final product of the socks and underwear. It is so much better. Got rid of some socks, a lot of like little footies and things. And then all of this is actually gonna get donated to textile recycling. So, you know, you really can't donate your used socks and underwear, but you don't throw them away. You can actually recycle the material and it can be reused. Okay, this is everything from the drawers. Everything folded in the KonMari method. Over here, this is a pile of stuff I've actually decided to give away. I didn't think that I had much more to give away, but it looks like I do. So I'm excited to see how this is going to turn out. Okay, so that's it. We are done. We have decluttered and organized the dresser. It took a little bit over 3 hours to do, so it was a little longer than I expected, but now that it's done, I think it won't be as time consuming to fold everything in that method. Also, very interesting, the emotions that you attach to things, especially when you are in that minimal mindset and you're wanting to let go and release some things. It's interesting to see what comes up with just pieces of clothes. If you guys liked the video, if you found that folding method really helpful, please give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comment box, are you a minimalist, or do you feel like you don't have enough, or do you feel like you have too much and it's stressing you out? Let me know. And subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos just like this. All right, I hope you guys are having a beautiful day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.